All right. What is up, Pride family? It's me, Christian, with Pride Roofing and Construction, here to bring you another FAQ video. We decided we wanted to talk about something that's probably irking all of you. So we, as restoration contractors, a significant amount of our business is involved with, or is funded through insurance claims processes. But there's a really common problem that homeowners in just in the entire nation, not necessarily just in our local market, are dealing with, which is the rising cost of your insurance premiums. I wanted to put to bed some bad information and also bring to light things that you should probably do considering the changes that are going on with the insurance company as a whole. Currently, because of the massive amounts of flooding in North Carolina, the hurricanes that have constantly struck Texas and Florida, the wildfires across all of the Rocky Mountains, and then the huge wildfires in California have really made it difficult for insurance companies to want to continue holding policies when it comes to claims for peril and other acts of God. When I say acts of God, what I'm talking about is tornadoes, floods, hurricanes, hail, wind, so on and so forth. Which, ultimately is not really up to them. They're in the industry of bringing you back to whole. But in response, what they're going to do is bring up all of the premium costs for every policyholder in the nation. This is something that nobody really wants to deal with, but the common misconception is that your claim is going to increase your premium amount. That's not the case. Filing a claim for something that's a catastrophic listed event is something that's expected. It's something that they have an obligation to pay for, and it doesn't have a direct reflection in your premium. What does have a premium reflection or rising cost in your premium is the fact that the entire zip code now became harder to insure. They're paying out claims, they are restoring all of the broken things, and in response, the entire zip code gets to bear the burden of additional coverage values, funds, right? You're going to pay more. That being said, it's not a great idea if you do have a huge event, a big hailstorm or whatever it is. It's not a great idea to just say, you know what, we're going to wait this one out and we're going to go to the next one, because what you're doing is you're creating a vulnerability with your most prized asset and your biggest investment, your home. Making that claim, do follow the guidelines that we've given you in the past. Make sure that you have a licensed contractor look at it before. Make sure that if you don't trust the contractor that you had on it, have multiple opinions, and if all of them are saying the same thing, that this is totaled and it needs to be replaced, then get your insurance company involved. But the misconception, let's just stomp that out right now. The claim isn't what changes the rates. The fact that the storm happened is what changes the rates. Now, in addition to that, insurance companies are also adding some new and creative ways to make it you pay more during the claims process. And one of those things I wanted to announce to everybody is that a lot of policies are going towards the fact that they are going towards increased costs or hard to get insurance, and forcing you towards other subsidiaries and less mutual companies. If you have a roof that's over the age of 10, 15, or 20 years old, depending on the insurance company, that's going to be something that bites them in the butt, and I want you guys to jump ahead of it. If you have a house that's reaching the age of 8-9 year mark, please have a licensed contractor, preferably me and my team with Pride Roofing and Construction, come out and check and see if you have any of those restorable claim or storm damages on your home. It's better to get in front of it and restart that timeline or that clock so that you can maintain the coverage that you have. Not all of them are going to be winners. Sometimes you don't get what you want out of that. In that case, shopping for a different insurance policy that doesn't kick you out before you hit that claim expiration, or that timeline expiration, is a good idea. So if you find this type of video useful, please like and subscribe to our online channels. Please comment below if you have any questions or you need a little bit more detail to the thing that I just talked about. But please, guys, keep an eye on the market. Understand that we all need to evolve with the changing times, and right now homeowners need to be present, they need to be engaged, and they need to be purposeful with the things that they need to do in order to restore their home, and we want to help you with that. Thank you for tuning in. Trying to make me nervous. All right, good to go. All right.